This is the Seminole Rest here, National Park, part of Canaveral National Seashore in Oak Hill, Florida. It's very pretty here. They got a canoe launch right on the edge of the Mosquito Lagoon. Very beautiful place here in Oak Hill. If you ever get a chance to come and visit, check it out. I like to come over here and walk my dog. It's a beautiful walk. Like I said, very nice on the water. Just very, very pretty. It's about 20 miles north of Titusville, about 20 miles south of Daytona Beach, about 45 minutes east of Orlando. City of Oak Hill, small little town. Sits on the edge of the national park right here, Wildlife Refuge, NASA. Facing that way you can see rockets taking off. Just a beautiful place to come and visit. If you like fishing and boating, you have the ICW, the Intracoastal Waterway here. Just so much to do. A little bit of history. Let you can pause it if you want to read that there. But yeah, this is all national park. They've been refurbishing it because the hurricanes have done a lot of damage. But man, this is such a beautiful piece of property. Just so pretty. I can hear the bees or something. Again, this is the Seminole Rest Historic Site, located here in just east of Orlando in Oak Hill, Florida. About an hour from Disney. If you look on the horizon, the dead center of the screen, you can see the VAB, the Vehicle Assembly Building. Just to the left of that would be the rocket pads. But man, it's pretty here. Just gorgeous. I like coming here with my dog Rusty because you can just walk these trails, and especially a day like this, there's nobody here. So sometimes I'll come here and sit in the bench or the chairs and just stare out over the lagoon. It's just a peaceful area. I could just only imagine what this area was like 100, 200 years ago. Just gorgeous. The only bad thing I don't like is in the summertime. You walk through here and the mosquitoes are horrendous. This time of year, it got done like 52 degrees last night. It's out in the sun, it's around 75 degrees. Just a beautiful place. You can see, I don't know if you can read that. Let's hold that there for a second. Just beautiful. Just pretty.